Play with the baby. What? You gonna pull up on me? So right here. Put your baby. You can't sit up. Let's see. There you go. Jaslene, mommy.
What's she doing?
What you doing, Nana? Jaslene, come here, mommy. What you doing? You looking at that? Angel, what are you doing? Come here, booby. Come here. Come on. Come on, Jaslene, let's go. Come on. Come on. Angel, stop being jealous. My two babies. Where are you trying to go? Oops. Where are you trying to go, Mama? Yeah. Angel, you want to go upstairs? Oh, no. I'm gonna fall. Okay, go upstairs. You ready to go upstairs, Jaslene? Ready to go? She left you, Mommy. You gonna fall. Okay, you pinching me. Up, 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 up. I got you. You fell on your booty. Her shirt on with that. Where you going, Jaslene? Baby. You gonna fall like that. Putting your foot like that. Angel. Yeah, she don't like staying in this thing no more. But I still put her in it. But she be twisting all up in it. What you doing, Jaslene? You gonna fall. Trying to get down? Don't try to use me to stand up. You just used me. You just used me. Jaslene. Mommy. Yeah. What you doing, boo? Where you going over there, Angel? You looking at Angel? Where did she go? She left you. Mm-hmm. Your legs are separating real far. Little toesies. Put your legs together. There you go. What? What you talking about? Look at me. Hey. Hey, Jaslene. Jaslene. You looking for Angel? You want her there? Lovey. You looking for her? Mm-mm. Don't bite me with those teeth. Your 2 teeth. That hurts. That hurt me. No. That's gross. Oh, that's so gross. Here, stay right there on your booty. There you go. Uh-huh. That's gross. See, look, if I put this back on here, she can pull up on it.